Most people believe weak legs are simply a part of growing older, something you have to accept with time. But what if that belief is the very reason your legs have become weaker? What if your body is silently asking for something simple, natural, and completely within your reach? Welcome to the Seniors Hub, where wisdom meets care, and where small steps lead to lasting strength. Today we'll reveal 3 powerful vitamins that, when taken at night, can rebuild your leg strength, improve your balance, and help you move with the confidence and independence you deserve. This isn't about expensive medications or miracle cures. It's about giving your body what it has quietly been missing for years. So sit back, relax, and let's uncover the truth behind stronger legs after 60. You see, weak legs don't just appear out of nowhere. They creep in slowly, one small struggle at a time. Maybe it's when you start using the wall for support, or when climbing stairs feels heavier than before. Maybe your legs cramp at night, or you find yourself avoiding long walks. Many seniors think it's just aging, but the truth is, it's often a simple nutritional gap, a missing link in your body's nighttime repair process. Because every night while you sleep, your body goes to work. It repairs, rebuilds, and restores. But without the right fuel, without these 3 essential vitamins, your body can't finish its job. Let's start with the first one, vitamin B12. Most seniors have heard of it, but very few understand how deeply it affects their legs, balance, and energy. Think of B12 as the messenger that keeps your brain and muscles connected. Your brain sends signals through your spinal cord, like tiny electrical impulses, telling your legs when to move, how to balance, and when to rest. B12 creates the protective insulation, called the myelin sheath, that keeps those signals strong and clear. Without enough B12, the connection weakens. The signals slow down, sometimes even misfire. That's when you start to feel off balance, unsteady, or disconnected from your own body. After 60, your body's ability to absorb B12 drops dramatically. Even if you eat meat, eggs, or dairy, your stomach no longer produces enough acid to extract the vitamin properly. Research shows that nearly half of adults over 60 have low B12 levels, often without realizing it. The symptoms begin quietly: numbness in your feet, tingling in your toes, stiffness in the morning, or a sense that your legs don't respond as quickly as they used to. Many people mistake this for arthritis or nerve problems, but in reality, it's often a simple deficiency. A major study published in Neurology found that seniors with low B12 were 60% more likely to fall and nearly 3 times more likely to struggle with walking. The good news? This is entirely reversible. Taking B12 daily, especially before bed, allows your body to repair nerves while you sleep. And when you rest, your nervous system resets. That's when the rebuilding begins. The best form is methylcobalamin, a version your body absorbs quickly. Use it in sublingual form, a small tablet that dissolves under your tongue so it goes straight into your bloodstream. Many people notice improvements in balance, energy, and leg coordination within 2 weeks. Imagine standing taller, walking steadier, and feeling more in control of your steps. That's the power of replenishing what your body truly needs. Now let's move to the second essential nutrient, vitamin D3. Most people know it as the sunshine vitamin, but very few understand its true strength-building power. This vitamin isn't just for bones, it's for your muscles, your balance, and your independence. Vitamin D3 triggers a process called muscle protein synthesis, which your body uses to build new muscle fibers and repair the old ones damaged throughout the day. Every step you take, every time you stand, sit, or climb, your muscles experience tiny micro tears. During sleep, your body heals those micro tears and makes your muscles stronger. But without enough D3, that process slows down dramatically. Here's something most people don't know. After age 60, your skin's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight drops by about 75%. That means even if you sit in the sun for an hour, your body might produce only a fraction of what it once did. Add in sunscreen, indoor living, and shorter daylight hours, and you're left with a serious deficiency. In fact, over 70% of seniors have low vitamin D3 levels. And when that happens, your muscles begin to weaken from the inside out. Climbing stairs becomes harder, standing up feels slower, your legs tire faster. A study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that older adults who began taking D3 before bed improved their leg strength by nearly 20% and reduced their risk of falling by 1/3 within 3 months. That's because D3 doesn't just maintain muscle, it reactivates dormant receptors in your muscle cells, restoring their ability to respond to signals and build new tissue. It also calms inflammation in your muscles, reducing that dull, burning ache many seniors feel in their thighs and calves at night. Taking D3 before bed allows it to work in harmony with your body's natural repair rhythm. At night, your body releases growth hormone, which stimulates tissue repair. That's when D3 goes to work, helping your muscles absorb calcium and phosphorus, the two minerals they need to rebuild stronger fibers. Always choose vitamin D3, not D2, and take it with a small amount of healthy fat, maybe a spoonful of almond butter, a piece of cheese, or a glass of milk. It's a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it needs a little dietary fat to be absorbed properly. The typical dose for seniors ranges between 2,000 and 4,000 IU nightly, depending on your current levels. Within weeks, you'll begin noticing changes: less soreness, improved stamina, and a newfound sense of control in your steps. And now, the third vitamin, one that almost no one talks about, yet it might be the most important for leg strength: vitamin K2. Most people know about K1, which helps with blood clotting, but K2 is entirely different. Its job is to manage where calcium goes in your body. Think of it as your calcium traffic director. It takes calcium out of your arteries, joints, and soft tissues, where it causes stiffness and pain, and sends it directly into your bones, where it belongs. Without enough K2, calcium drifts into the wrong places. It hardens your arteries, tightens your joints, and leaves your bones and muscles weak. A study in the journal Nutrients found that seniors supplementing with K2 improved their quadriceps strength by over 20% and their standing balance by more than 30% in just 8 weeks. Even more impressive, those who took K2 before bed showed the biggest improvements because the body does most of its bone and muscle rebuilding during sleep. K2 also activates proteins that help your muscles use energy more efficiently. That means less fatigue, less heaviness in your legs, and more steady endurance when walking or climbing stairs. The best form of this vitamin is MK7 because it stays active in your system longer and ensures a steady calcium flow into your bones overnight. Foods like aged cheese, organ meats, or fermented soy, natto, contain small amounts, but not nearly enough for most seniors. That's why supplementation is essential. It's safe, natural, and profoundly effective. And when combined with D3, the two form a perfect partnership. D3 brings calcium into your bloodstream, and K2 makes sure it's deposited in the right place. Without K2, D3 can actually cause problems by letting calcium build up in arteries or joints. Together, they form the foundation of bone and muscle health for older adults. Now imagine this. Before bed, you take 3 small steps, literally and figuratively. A sublingual B12 tablet under your tongue, a D3 soft gel with a small snack, and a K2 capsule alongside it. You turn off the lights and rest. While you sleep, your nerves repair, your muscles rebuild, and your bones strengthen quietly through the night. Day by day, your balance improves. Your steps feel firmer. You rise from chairs with ease. Your confidence returns. That's the true power of working with your body's natural rhythm, giving it what it needs at the time it needs it most. It's not magic. It's science aligned with wisdom. Too many older adults suffer simply because no one told them that small changes make big differences. Pharmaceutical companies rarely talk about B12, D3, or K2 because they can't patent them. But these nutrients have been proven in studies worldwide to enhance strength, reduce falls, and restore vitality. They cost very little, yet their impact is priceless. Your independence, your movement, your freedom. Remember, your legs are not just muscles. They are your foundation, your connection to the world, your ability to move toward the life you still deserve to live. They've carried you through decades of hard work, love, and memories. Now, it's time you carry them with care. These 3 vitamins, B12, D3, and K2, are the night team that keeps your body strong when you rest. You don't need to fear aging when you nourish your body the right way. Before you go, take a moment to share in the comments where you're watching from, how old you are, and whether you've tried any of these vitamins before. We love hearing your stories, your struggles, and your successes. The Seniors Hub is more than a channel. It's a community of people who believe in living strong, graceful, and aware. Every like, comment, and share helps another senior find hope and strength in their journey. So tonight, when you prepare for bed, think of this simple truth. Your body is not done healing. It just needs the right tools. Give it these three: B12 for your nerves, D3 for your muscles, and K2 for your bones. And let sleep become your most powerful therapy. You've earned the right to move freely, live boldly, and age with strength. If this message has helped you, please like this video and share it with someone you care about: a parent, a friend, or a loved one who could use a little extra strength in their step. And don't forget to subscribe to the Seniors Hub for more gentle, science-backed health wisdom designed just for you. Because at this age, life isn't about slowing down. It's about moving smarter, sleeping deeper, and living stronger. Your legs have carried you far. Now let them carry you farther. One good night, one smart habit, and one powerful step at a time.